All right. What we have here is an iPhone 7 that is pretty banged up. It looks bad, like someone hit it with a hammer. So what this iPhone does, I will show you right now. When it turns on, the front camera obviously is pretty blurry, and then the back camera does not work. So we'll try and see if we change the screen, if this will resolve the problem. I'll show you right now as soon as it comes on. Okay, it's password locked, but anyway, so let's see. Let's get to it. We'll turn off the phone. Okay, gonna place it on a heat mat. First we'll take out the pentalobe screws. Placing on a heat mat. Okay. So we place this on a heat mat. Now we'll take off the screen. There you go. Just like that. Okay. Disconnect the battery. Oh, look at that. That was loose in there. Three tri-point screws. Okay. Remove the plate. Okay. We'll disconnect the battery now. And then we'll disconnect the LCD. The ear speaker flex. Two Phillips screws. Remove the plate. Okay. All right. A little bit of glass from the screen here. Okay. Clean this nice. All right. We'll remove the home button. Four tri-point screws. Okay, remove the plate. Disconnect the flex, the home button flex. Okay. And now we'll remove the home button. Have to be really careful here. we dip a plastic card in ISO, and then gently we go underneath the flex here, very gently. There you go, we're under. Okay, and that pops out. More glass shattered. This is the home button flex right here. Okay, put that aside. Now we'll remove the front camera. Got 4 screws. They're not all equal, so be careful where you take them out, you put them back right there. Okay. Okay, and one flex screw right here. Right in there. Perfect. More glass shattered. Okay, we'll take this out. See, okay. There you go. More cleaning here. Okay, now let's see if we can transfer the data from this to the new screen. Okay, we'll install a X07, okay, LCD. There we go. See if data could be transferred from this one. I'm sure it can. Right here, connect, there you go. So data could be transferred from this one. We'll see when we install the original. I'm sorry, the new screen. We're writing. Yes. Okay, data verification error. Let's try again. No. Let's try that again with the original screen. Let's see. Okay, try that again. Okay, data read correctly. Try again here. No, Unfortunately, we cannot transfer data to this screen, so I'm gonna leave it at that. We'll explain the customer that there's no true tone on it. Okay. All right, let's we'll put the front camera and we'll see if it is working or not. Okay. This camera had glass shattered, so we will see if it's still working. Okay, position it. Okay. See here. Need to snap this right into place in there. The sensors. Yeah, perfect. Looks good. All right, looks good there. Put the speaker, the ear speaker back. Put the bracket back. Okay. Move this a little bit so you can see here. And let's place the Phillips screws back in. One, two, three, four, five on the bracket, on the camera bracket and speaker, ear speaker bracket, and one on the flex, ear speaker flex, right here. Okay, now we put the home button in. From under, okay, just like that, from under, go in, okay, and we'll connect it there. A little bit in, have to pull it out. Okay. Perfect. Now it's connected. Okay, we put the bracket back on. Four tri-point screws. Okay. Alright, now let's test the phone. We'll install the LCD and test it. We connected the screen and let's see, going to the passcode. Okay. As you can see, the front camera was working, but not the back camera. Okay. So we'll turn the phone off. Okay. We'll disconnect the battery. Disconnect the screen. And let's place a new camera in and see what we have. See if this will resolve the problem. Okay. Pop the camera out, put a new camera in. Okay, see? Okay. Alright, let's see now if this has resolved the problem. Alright, let's see. Power's up. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Okay. As you can see. Okay. The rear camera is working now. The back cam. Okay. Front cam, back cam. Front cam, back cam. Okay. So we'll turn off the phone. Alright. Let's see now. Okay, so we put the back camera back and it seems to work normal. We did the testing. Now we're going to put the screws back on to the bracket. Okay. try point. Oh, this one came out. Let's put the other one. One here, and then the last one. Try on this side. Okay. That screw doesn't seem to go. Okay, this one is good. Then we'll do this one here. Okay. So now what we're going to do, we're going to test the phone again. Then we'll put that bracket back on as well. Okay. Okay, back cam, front cam. Okay, flashlight wasn't working before. Now you can see. Okay, it's working. All right. Now we'll close the phone, put the bracket back. Okay. Two Phillips screws. Like backwards, like this should go. All right, just like that. One more screw here. Okay. This screw does not stay. Okay, perfect. So now what we're gonna do, close the phone and job done. We'll come back in a second. Okay, we close the phone. Put the pentalobe screws back. And I will start it to verify one more time that everything is good, nice and smooth. Okay. Come on. Passcode. Okay, perfect. So this came in with a very banged up screen, very cracked, and the back camera was not working. So as you can see, the back cam is working now, also the front cam. Okay, there you go. There you go, perfect. And also the flashlight was not working, so we'll test that. You can see, okay, now it's working. Okay, so this was another quality repair done by My iPhone Repair on an iPhone 7 using X07 LCD screen, which is comes with 1 year warranty. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.